In this video, to fix Discord installation has failed error. So for that, we need to go to a task manager and check whether the background Discord is running or not. If it's running, we need to end the task, and after we need to go search run and go to a local app data, and in this you have a Discord folder. You need to delete it. Once completely delete, go back and again search for run and go to run, and this time you need to type for app data. Before you search for local app data, now you need to type for app data. Click OK. Here also you need to delete the Discord folder. Once completed, go back and go to settings. In this, you need to go to network and internet settings and make sure the VPN and proxy should be in turned off condition. If you are using VPN, you can turn off the VPN. And after that, go to discord.com/download, and you have seen the Mac, Windows, and Linux is that. You can click it Mac and x64. If you're using 64-bit, you can click it, and download is in progress. After download, you can click and install the setup. Once installation is completed, means it start opening. So this is how to fix. If the issue still remains in same, then you can go on other steps like right click Discord and go to properties and go to compatibility, and you need to click run the program as administrator is that. Click it and click OK. After that, you need to click search and go to services, and here you need to scroll down, and you can search for Windows installer. You need to right click and go to properties, and here it should be manual automatic no problem, but should be in running mode. Okay, after click start, and after that you need to restart your PC, then you can open the Discord.